How to add LinkedIn feed to Wix. So for this, I will actually go to elfsight.com, and right here we just want to sign up for free, or we can log in, and I'm going to use one of my Google accounts here to log in into this website, and I'll show you how we can use this to add it to Wix. So it's going to look like this, and we want to click on add new app, and here we will just search for LinkedIn. And you should be able to see this LinkedIn feed, embed posts for your company's LinkedIn page into your website. So once we choose this, then it will ask us to go for a template. So we can choose the type of template which we want. I would just leave it as carousel right here, and I'm going to click on continue with this template, and it will show us some examples. So here we can do either personal page or company page, and I'll just copy this link as an example, but you can paste your own URL right here, and I'll click on apply, and it's going to look like this. Filters, show reposts, and we can also set this up. And after we have changed this to our liking, for example, we can change the layout as well. We will click on publish. Now it will ask us to choose a plan, and I'm going to choose the free plan, and this will generate code for us. So we're going to copy this code right here, and this is the important part. We copy this code and we go back to our Wix editor, and we want to search for HTML. It will look like this, embeds, and we have to choose embed HTML, and here's where we actually paste the code itself. After we have pasted the code, we will click on update, and this will add LinkedIn feed to our Wix website. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.